Where am I the most calm? Where am I the most welcomed? I remember a few years back. I've definitely worked too much back then. Eventually, I was so overworked, I couldn't handle it anymore. I needed a break, so I chose to go hiking. I took one step after the other. With time, it became quiet in my head. It became a flow. The senses became heightened. The surroundings became louder. The bee, the stream, the breeze. Nature doesn't judge. Here, I feel accepted, feel embraced, feel welcomed. I feel safe. If somebody's always there for me, I feel that I have to be there for them. So I realized that I must do what I can to help preserve nature. Today I make daily decisions to buy less or to buy second-hand, to lend out something, to buy locally and seasonally, to not produce any unnecessary waste. I travel in a country that loves its nature as much as I do, because it knows how precious it is. In Switzerland, I can move in a way without nature noticing, and that is liberating. All the little things that I do, they seem small, but once they become more of a movement, their impact becomes large. Hello mountains. Hello grass. Hello sky. Good to be with you.